Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your input method is not supported on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're using a monitor that's just not supported or it's not being recognized properly, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon, type in system configuration. Best result should come back with system configuration. Go ahead and open that up. You want to now go ahead and select the boot tab and then checkmark versus base video. Select apply and OK, and then restart your computer. And hopefully that was able to resolve your problem and your monitor is now being able to be picked up. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.